To use the Do Not Disturb mode on Poco X7, first we need to open a settings on our device. Then if we scroll down, there will be option for sound and vibration. Enter it and scroll down looking for Do Not Disturb mode. Now inside we'll be able to activate it or deactivate it with the first switch. Then you can also enable it automatically only when the device is locked. There's also option to notify you about the calls during Do Not Disturb mode, as normally they won't be able to cut through it, but here you can adjust them to receive them from anyone, contacts only, or from your starred contacts only as well. There's also option to notify you about repeated calls, so if somebody tries to call you multiple times, you will get a notification that someone has tried to call you multiple times. And there's also option to schedule Do Not Disturb mode for a certain time. If you add rule, then you can change the start time, end time, and when it should repeat. When it's done, your Do Not Disturb mode will be active automatically like that. And that is basically everything.